Let him talk. It's what we're here to do.
But it looks just like the other one.
Just because the footprints were chimney soot doesn't necessarily mean they came from Santa Claus.
Four people are dead, and one man's life is at stake.
A diversion! This whole thing's a diversion.
You heard the cops. The whole family was naughty.
I'm here to decide on the fate of a man, and that's good enough for me.
You ever seen a human body got hit by a reindeer?
Santa's not perfect.
Hey, you don't have to keep running everybody down, you know?
We find him guilty. That means the chair.